Hey guys, this is Mohammed Ilyas here from Nectarpost. So today we'll be looking one of the concepts of C++, that is package task. And soon this video will be published and even example will be published under Nectarpost. So let's get started. What is package task? Package task is introduced in C++ 11, and this is class template package task that wraps callable objects. So that callable objects can be function, lambda expression, bind expression, or any functional objects. So there are three things that we need to consider. First is these callable objects can be invoked asynchronously. Second thing is the return value of these callable objects can be returned with the help of future objects. And then third is the exception which it throws, even that can be get via future objects. So let's start with an example. So I have one function here which takes integer value and returns double, and this particular function, as soon as it comes in, it sleeps for a certain time and then it adds value 3.14 and returns a double value. Now in this case, to start with, let me create an package task object. So my function work takes integer value and returns double. So I'll say double value, and it takes integer value as an input parameter. So this task, so under this task I have to pass, basically I have to wrap function work. Now after doing this, we can invoke this task at any point of time where as it requires, and also have to get future value of this, so that is return value of function work. For that, maybe quickly let me define a future objects where it takes returns double value, and object of future, and I'll say task dot get future. Till now it is fine. So now I have to invoke task package task, and then I have to return a value. For that operation, what I have to do is maybe I can directly invoke task, where I can pass any value, or I can create a thread where I'll pass, you have to move here task, and then I have to pass some value. So as soon as I invoke this, it goes into this function and it sleeps for a certain time, and then it adds value and it returns a value back. Now to print return value and basically to wait for certain duration, I have to call get on future object. This equals object of future dot get. So as soon as I invoke get value, the function goes. So let's say if that thread is under sleeping state, and if I call this get, it waits until and unless this particular function returns back, and it returns a value back to this. So now let's see this with an example. So is there anything wrong? Yeah. So let me run this code. So as you can see, this goes into waiting state for some time, and then it came out, and then this printed value. So let me try by increasing some duration over here. So maybe I'll do it 5, and then let me see how it behaves. So it is waiting. My execution is started. Yes, it came back and is printed 10 plus 3.14 is 13.14.